Pumpkin, tomato and potato cottage pie. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion, finely chop 1 garlic clove. Chop 1 red capsicum into bite-sized pieces. Slice 8 mushrooms. Chop the 6 potatoes and quarter of a pumpkin into 2 cm pieces. Finally chop 1 handful of fresh parsley. Puree 4 tomatoes in a blender until liquefied. For the potato and pumpkin topping, place the potatoes and the pumpkin into a large pot of cold water and bring to the boil. Cook until the cubes are tender. Drain the pumpkin and potatoes and return to the saucepan. Add quarter of a cup of soy milk, add salt to taste and mash. For the lentil mixture, heat a saucepan over a high heat. Add the onions and garlic and saute for a few minutes until golden brown. Add half a cup of water to deglaze the pan. Add the red peppers and the mushrooms. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Continue to saute for a few minutes. Add 2 cups of cooked brown lentils. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Add the pureed tomatoes and the grated carrot. Add the grated zucchini. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then bring to the boil. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the parsley and cornstarch slurry and bring to the boil while stirring. To assemble, place the lentil mixture into a rectangle baking dish. Spoon the mashed potato and pumpkin mixture on top and spread gently with a fork. Grill for a few minutes until golden brown and then serve.